Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader. This is Marie. Let's see what this market have to offer today. We're gonna be looking for opportunities to trade. Very awesome market, very strong market. Having a little pullback there. We see on Nvidia, we see on American Online, we see on the SPY. Everything's pulling back a little bit, but still very strong market. So, Marie, how are you doing?
I am doing great. Again, beautiful day, supposed to be warming up. And hopefully the market's going to do the same, continue to warm. I like that.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Very good, very good. Very nice. Today is less cold, let's say.
It's warming up.
We appreciate that. So, but
You
good.
bet.
Yeah. So, basically, if we go back to SPY, like I have this 30-minute trend line here, and we are trading below. But let's say I want to clean everything just to not be influenced for whatever was happening yesterday. So let me make sure I can absolutely every line. Manage trend line. So yeah. So let's say we go SPY in the 60-minute chart. We are definitely trading above the point here of 602, 80, something like that. Where it was resisting, support, and then it broke through. Now, hey, it might be holding that level. At some point, if ever you pull back that much, it's not
Trading
that far.
at the PCL now.
So let's say.
Oh no, that's not the PCL. Looked like the PCL in the 60, but nope.
Okay. So this is almost for sure gonna be relevant. So somewhere around there. So let's go a little lower time frame. So maybe 15. Let's say if we pick absolute to the bottom. Okay, so we have some interaction here. Like, I'm trying to figure out
Okay.
what is it looking like. Let's say maybe like this.
I'll look at a couple of stocks right now because it's could be interesting.
Like basically, Mary, like we can go through the stock. If you
No.
want.
You were figuring it. I
But
was waiting for you.
For
but,
SPY, it's like in the awkward spot here, like probably like
it would have to go above that.
yeah, like
It's
I just don't
interacting
want to
close.
put another trend line, but I think I'm gonna have to. So
You'll
if
have
I
to.
say something like this, so like for now, it's looking like downtrend. So
If we're looking at yesterday, if we're looking at this morning,
yeah, this morning is trying to go back up. Yeah.
the secondary trend is trying to
Yeah,
go
like
ahead,
here. It's,
up, right?
yeah, I'm making a chart out of the chart. Yeah, that's.
Yeah, that looks. So it seems like it's compressing, right? And right at the resistance level, what used to be
Yeah.
resistance support type deal. So, yeah, that's a good chart there.
Okay, so
It indicates a lot.
yeah, like in my opinion, I don't have enough information to have an opinion yet.
Okay.
Maybe looking bearish, but as I say, I prefer to wait a little bit more and see how it develop. So let's say, we can go through your list. If you
Yes,
want.
because just as I'm just going to add a little something. So right now, when we're looking at this morning's pullback was around 604.50. 604.60 something. There's a stack when we're looking at SPY at about 604.70. It's quite strong when we're looking at, of course, we don't see everything, right, when we're looking at SPY it's an index. And we're looking at a very, very strong 606.40. So it seems like that could be the range. Like the stacks are quite impressive in both sides of there. So it could be a little bit more rangy, though the range seems to be bigger. I am complete.
Perfect. Understood. Yeah, that range makes sense to me, even because it's it's low volume, those interactions there. So it's like, yeah. So what would be next for you?
AAL.
American Airlines.
So we've got AAL. So what we've got, which I like, one thing, let's start at the beginning. So what I like right now is that it has rejected that bottom. So that bottom, actually, I had to go for it to be that low, the last time it traded there, I actually had to go to August this summer. This one there, it was a resistance. When we're looking at the low, it's very far from the low. What I like about it is that it actually went above the VWAP, above the 200 EMA, and in the 1 minute, of course. When we're looking at the tape, there's a double shield at 2090 and 2092. So those are actually close to 3,000 lot. I had to go in the weekly for AAL to go find that level again, and we are talking 2022. So it's been a while since it's been there, but I had to research that level. It's just so ginormous. So when we're looking at the more maybe feasible or closer levels, we've got 1763.62. And 1763.62 seems to be this morning actually a previous support, and it's very close to the 200, the 50 EMA in the 5 minutes. So 62 seems to be a level, and besides that, there's 60.80 that there's a little stack there, but you don't see a whole lot more. So I've put down both of them, and 60.80. That little stack that's there is close to the pullback this morning, but not sure that I'm greatly interested in AAI, but there we go. So yeah, so the positions are still there. What do you think, Davey?
Yeah, it's I think it's looking like a long too, but it will be healthy, I think, to watch it going to those 1760 just to see what he wants to do.
Agreed.
Because if he hold there, it's gonna be good. But by that time, we will be breaking the trend, and we will be almost like, it may look different by the time you get there. So I like
revisit.
it. Yeah, like that trend line. I think I was to maybe like that makes more sense. And then we're trading below, and then you kind of have like this probably. I don't want to. This is the 1 minute. That's why I'm having trouble with that. Okay, that makes more sense. My bad. Yeah. So going like this. So in the 5 minute, I shouldn't be taking that candle, but I will take it because I think it's gonna have trouble making higher highs later. But yeah. So let's see if that line. Keep printing the way it's printing, but I will be looking long as he holds 1762.
Okay.
But this thing is 4% down. I don't know what happened there, so just be aware of that.
Agreed.
Yeah. So in the bigger time frame, just in case, look, we were having a beautiful trend toward the upside. So and
then kaboom.
Yeah, exactly. So if these have, which of course it always have value, like if these have value that show up today,
it
may
back
go
in.
all the way back up in there. So like your level of 2029,
2091 and 92.
Maybe it's not doable all of it, but close to, let's say.
It could gravitate towards that.
Exactly,
Okay, that's
so-
a good point.
Yeah, so that's it
Okay.
for me on that one.
NVIDIA.
Nvidia.
So NVIDIA, for the first time in a long time, we have huge, huge lots. I'm not used to seeing that that early in the morning. So we've got 144.63. So 144.63, just above the VWAP. We've got a lot of 200. We've got 52 that's got a lot of 280. We've got 49 that's got a lot of 180. So remember yesterday 144.50?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. So we've got 144.50 that seems to be acting as a wall there, or somebody would like, or something is happening that 144.50 they don't want to be going below that. If we're looking at 144.50 as well, it's pretty much where it was pre-market this morning, right? The VWAP is around there as well. So yeah, we'd have, for me, what I see is it would be interesting to see the reaction at 144.50. What I on the opposite side, I don't see a whole lot of volume as at the offer. So we've got 144.89 that is going to be trading there very, very closely, very shortly. We've got one that has 200. We've got 145.20 that has 120 lot. And then we are going to 145.94 and 146. That's got about 100 lots. That's about there. But then it's the psychological. We've got the rounded numbers at 147. We've got 148, and then it go 150, and it goes up. Wow, to 160. Whew. Wow, 160, 500, 155, 500 plus. Yeah. So what do you see, Davey?
Yeah, like I went into the longer time frame here. Like let's say like this look like a rounded bottom here. So probably we can like So or like so if this is a rounded bottom, like let's say, or
Oh, it's very nice, eh? Yeah.
like also like maybe cup and handle. Like I know it's not a common one, but like if it's cup and handle, like I mean we have a very attractive trade from around maybe 144. If we go toward the downside, maybe 140. But if we go 140, I will be expecting it to bounce back decently. So, but like I think, let's say if we're gonna be looking long from the good to go, we can target from 44.50 to 47, probably. Like
I agree
because
with
47 is like 47.88, something like that. Is like what is the neck? So it was the previous high. So it might be a very attractive trade. So
I like that. I agree with you completely.
yeah, let's see what it wants to do. But definitely looking interesting.
Yep. At that level.
Yeah.
I agree. Totally agree. Okay, so next up, QBTS. So QBTS 592. It's entering a stack right there. So the stack of QBTS at 592, it goes actually not the whole lot deeper than 590, 586. And then the next one is quite lower at the 550. So 550, we've got about 200 lots. We knew 550 was there yesterday. And the 593 is the pullback, the pre-market pullback this morning. So is that possible to go back to there? Yes, I'm interested to see how it's going to react. Is it going to pull back to the 550? We don't have to go too far to say, yes, it did pull back to the 550, right? So I'm going to see how it looks at how it's reacting to that stack, that pullback, the pre-market pullback at about 592. But I would be interested to see how it's going to react there and possibly go long on QBTS at the 550 or the, though right now it's below the VWAP. It's not that far below the VWAP. So yes, I would be interested in going long, see it interacting with the 592. What do you see, Davey?
Yeah, like to me it's very rangy that end. Like you have a couple of days where you have to like try to go away from the maybe $5, $6. So you like, but it went all the way down. Like this is a decent pullback here to the like
yes.
334. That was a couple of days ago. But to me, it's not looking that good for the long yet.
Okay.
But I
You're
think
right.
as long
Yeah.
as it hold
It's to
550,
hold.
it should be a good long.
Agreed.
As long as it hold 550. And like 550 there, you have a previous bottom, yeah, which was at 524. So the 524 was 3 days ago. So if we go 550, like maybe you can build up a position toward the 524, looking to go for a bounce around there. So yeah, let's see.
Yeah, to look
So-
at there. Yep.
I just don't like the erratic way that this trade normally. But yeah, like look at that chop around here. Like, and yesterday when you talked to me about was kind of like that. Like yes, look how it's coming back down here. Like long wicks to the bottom, then long wicks. Like yeah, this is
Harder to read.
hard to trade.
Mm-hmm.
Like you can read that.
And I got smoked yesterday so bad. So
Yeah, it's like
that was my only red trade yesterday was QPTS and that plantain of going back in. So you are correct. It is more challenging.
okay.
I like, yeah, good point. So next one, IBT, IBIT. So IBIT right now is trading at an important level. We've got stacks on both sides, onto the offer, onto the bid, and it's right there at the VWAP. So the 58, 02, 03, 90, 99, it's right there. The tape is practically all there. There's not a whole lot outside of there. So there's 60-30 that has 90 lot, and that's about it. So what do you see, Davey?
Yeah, that one says like I guess he didn't like the fact that that Trump said that he gonna do his own cryptocurrency. And stuff like that. So, but, like
in honor of his wife?
yeah, exactly. But like Bitcoin is Bitcoin. Like I mean,
Okay.
like
It reacts on
many stocks, many cryptocurrency have come and go. But like yeah, to assume that is such a bad thing for Bitcoin is like I don't know that. Like I know it's the administration and blah blah blah, but yeah, I think this thing at some point is just gonna do
What it plans to do?
a crazy move toward the upside. But like one of the problems is that Bitcoin is still around those prices, like 100,000, and like it's not determined to go too far yet. Like it's not that convincingly strong. But yeah, maybe when we break the trend over the upside, there will be a good short, a good long. Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
But for now, yeah, until the news keep affecting that, like that way, it's like maybe it's not that like you see here, like we were going down, like this is you see this trend here, like going down, test it, then we flush down all the way here, but now we are moving a little bit more sideways or channeling.
Found some
And like if I take this here,
some support there.
that line is slightly inclinated toward the upside, so if we find a decent pullback, it works the shot, I think. Maybe at something around 57.90, around the VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
So, but yeah, making sure that it doesn't break 57.60.
Because that's where all the volume is in the orders. So your observation around the VWAP, all of the stacking is around there. So some are showing up now. We've got a little bit, but 60-30 is still the biggest one at 90. So, yeah, I like that. I agree with you. So next one is TQQ. So TQQ seems to be a very small range. So we've got a range on TQQ if we're looking at the orders that are present. We've got 8607, 8603. Holy cannoli, they just disappeared. Right as I said it, it's like magic. So belay that, it's not there. So we had it there that it was a stack there, but now we do not. So the only really relevant that we've got a little stack that it's going to be entering now, and we've got what I had written at 86.28, which is not there. And we've got the biggest one is actually to the offer at 90, which is 105. There's not a whole lot there yet. It seemed though, when we're looking at a resistance, I'm looking at it in the 30 minutes, but 86.26, 86.28 seems to be a very strong support level. If we're looking at the bigger time frame, so is it gonna go through that today? Oof.
Yeah, like I will consider that one extremely correlated with the SPY.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, if we if we have I know sometimes the correlation is broken on those two, but like
Rarely though.
yeah,
right?
rarely exactly. So that's why I would say like maybe
Rarely.
to favor the any possible correlation there. Like if we see the market going higher, so we can look for the long on TQQ.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but for sure, it's yeah.
I like it. So next, Tesla. So when we're looking at Tesla, there's not a whole lot on the tape. When we're looking at, I know but still 7 minutes. I'm going to be honest. I'm a little surprised at the volume that is present at this moment.
On Tesla?
No, on the market.
On the market, yeah.
Yeah, it is low volume at this moment. And when we're looking at Tesla,
I'm gonna try to check for that speech because
Yeah.
remember I told you I think that it's a speech.
Because there's not a whole lot of volume on Tesla. Their biggest position is actually 425, which is $10 from here. Yeah, right now it's above. It's trading around the 50 EMA. It's above the 200 EMA and above the VWAP and above the PCL. So it looks strong, but I have absolutely nothing on the tape to say except the 425 to say that it could be going one direction or not.
Okay.
What do you have?
Yeah, like Tesla. You see how we have in trouble. Like Tesla is trapped into those prices. It's kind of hard to say, but like. Yeah.
You say it differently.
No, it's the same. It's like basically I could say I don't have anything to add to that, but.
But you traded. I haven't traded Tesla much. You've got more experience with trading.
It's just like, but like, which name did you give me? Like, I think it was QBTS.
Yeah.
Like, what is my problem with QBTS here? Like, we went all the way up here. Then when you get whacked like that, like in the top, it was doing the same. Like, this is not clearly trending. We can say it's a slightly up.
Not a strong trend.
Exactly.
Right?
So when we take Tesla, it's kind of the same. Like that's why I mentioned the range between the 400 and the 430, which right now is 439 to 40 pretty much. So it's like, do you have confidence going long from here? It's like if it doesn't look that convincing, like it's not.
You're not convinced of that.
Yeah. It's
So what I would like, yeah, you could be right on there. We do have the 5 minutes. Would we be able to just do a PLTR?
yeah.
Please.
Sure.
So I'll let PLTR to you because you are, right now what I see in PLTR is a big position to 75. One of the big position is 75. We don't have a whole lot to the bid that I see. But we seem to have bigger to the offer. The biggest one is actually at the 80 mark for 193. So what do you see?
Yeah.
I'm going to put those levels there.
I was already doing some little job on PLTR.
Okay,
really,
I like
that, I like the trend in PLTR. Like,
Very good. What a smooth one, right?
yeah, it's like.
I'm looking at it in the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, no matter what. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Yeah, exactly. So.
I agree.
We had major levels yesterday here, and we broke through all of them like nothing. So, well, like nothing. It took its time, but it broke them. So basically, like right now, we know that will be like 76.13, 76.20, is very relevant, and you say, well, why? Well, it was like here, it acted as a support, then it lost it, then attack resistance, support again, lost it, then resistance, then broke all the way, went all the way up like that, boom, resistance, support again, break it down, resistance, and like so. That $76 is with 13, 14, maybe 20 cents. Seems to be very relevant. Like if I have to put like, oh, I want to get the best price I could get. If I am gonna be looking short, by any chance, it will be around 77 with 60 cents.
Okay.
So, do you think that the market is gonna offer that entry? It's hard. Why? Because SPY is already bleeding a bit. Like if I have to look at the trend in SPY, very similar trend, very clean here. This is a 60-minute chart. So we have very nice trend here. We broke yesterday afternoon. Like yes, that's a little taking profit, whatever you want to call it.
And then it's picking up.
Exactly,
picking
and
it
then
up.
it's picking
and
up
it's
again.
almost parallel to it,
Yeah.
right? So,
But for PLTR to work, like let's say maybe we can go, like we could be very disciplined and say, you know what, if you pull back to 75.80, let's give it a shot to the long. If the long doesn't work, then let's flip toward the downside. Like it's an area that I am most interested on. Like for the so far I am testing, I'm gonna be giving it Nvidia because I think Nvidia can pull back up very nice. So, but PLTR for my day trade is I think is the most attractive idea right now.
okay.
And like it's based in what this 76.13 means. So looking long on it.
Okay. We've
Looking
got a-
long, if it doesn't respect, I will be flipping.
Okay, so we're looking at a minute and a half here for the market to open. So just for the AAL, I just wanted to add that there's a position at 1750, a stack at 1750. It's absolutely ginormous, and 1750 is very close to the 200 EMA. So right now it's entered that. We're going to see how it reacts, but the tape on the offer has exploded on AAL. So I guess some people just came in and said, "Whoa, what a price on AAL! I want to go in." Just saying. So, and Nvidia is already popping up. And we still, Nvidia 144.50 seems to be still valid, and the tape on the offer is still very good. So I'm gonna go see QBTS and look at that.
Like what I don't like about the AAL is that the 1762 was just enough and it didn't help. So that's why I had that line there. Like I wanna see it doing something, so but it didn't do much. So the
10 seconds.
yeah, so far it's running. So let's see the PLTR. What is the SPY looking like? Let's see.
Right now it's
Market
doing
SPY.
0.
Yeah.
Have fun, everyone. Let's do this.
So let's go.
So 590. I
Yeah.
want to see Q.
I took the short on PLTR. Let's see. Which is wrong. I was gonna go long.
Yes, I thought
Yeah.
you were going wrong.
Yeah.
AAL is pulling back. Wow. Nvidia pulling back to that 144. Oy, oy, oy. So Nvidia has got a position at 144, and that's what you said this morning. The 144 is so huge. We've got 1,000 lot. So there's going to be a battle there at 144. It should be pulling back. Is that where it's going to be reversing? Keeping my eyes on that. I like what QBTS is doing around the VWAP. I am going to wait to have, I'm going to put in the 590 right there.
Okay. Okay, let's see.
Okay, so SPY is not doing much at the moment. I took a position, like I said, at the VWAP
Not of PLTR. That's what.
if QBTS, you know what, I'm not. Yesterday you smoked me like crazy. I am breaking even.
So the price I want. Let's see. Okay. As I said, I made a mistake on PLTR.
Very nice. QBTS is taking off.
But that doesn't mean we can fix it. So
Okay, so SPY is pulling back. Ooh, yeah. So QBTS is around, has crossed the PCL. You know what, QBTS? You know what you did to me yesterday.
hey,
You're not gonna smoke me today again. And I'm breaking even.
okay. Let's see. Now that's a.
Okay,
that's the thing.
PLTR, eh? Wow.
Yeah, like I know I am going counter, but like now that is the plan. So like I mean, here this short here, it was a mistake. So but now it's looking so strong. Let's see if it's gonna be able to hold. And yeah. Okay, it's going through very nice. So it may get me out.
Okay, QBTS. What am I gonna do with you? Can I add there? No, I don't want to add there. You're flying. You're flying. Yeah, and guess who's not gonna leave money there?
Yeah, PLTR, not in one candle. You shouldn't do that in one. What was that? That's yeah, it's a one candle. You shouldn't do that. But it's looking nice. It's just like.
Here comes the money, money, money.
So what is Nvidia doing?
SPY is pulling back a little bit.
I see Nvidia. I see you.
I'm gonna look at that. Okay, so SPY's not doing much. Did we confirm if there was a speech?
I was looking at it. Let's see. Hold on. So no, I don't see it.
Okay, so
Like,
NVIDIA
I don't see. I don't
oh,
have a way to
yeah.
confirm it right now. So I think I hear that there was going to be a president speech. So, but I don't have the official news. So
Okay.
Mhm. Yeah, American Airlines is having trouble at the VWAP, but might be a good long at 17.
I was able to take NVIDIA.
Zero hit.
Very close to the 144.50. It's just that I do not like. Bounce off there. Okay, so SPY's trying to gain some strength here.
Okay, I'm out of PLTR.
Nice.
I like, yeah.
Okay. No, SPY's trying to get some strength. QBTS, 50 cents. I like. I just don't want to leave anything there, so where am I going to take my next partial?
Okay.
Okay, so SPY seems to, is at the RSI on SPY.
I didn't be that long.
Yay. I got NVIDIA long as well.
Yeah, that makes sense to me. So yeah, PLTR, I'm gonna keep an eye on it, but like I took 2 trades on PLTR, both of them wrong. That thing is flying. So I pull back to join the long maybe because like we say this is a major trend like
Yeah.
right there. And yesterday I yeah, it was my bad. Like there was a clear. Let's see if we can do it today. So like a channel, and it was respecting even the top of the channel. So just like that, yeah. Yeah, I still have a lot to go back up PLTR. So we go in 5 minutes. Hey. It's very interesting that thing.
Okay. So Nvidia got me out.
You may get me out as well. So
Here comes the money, money, money.
Okay, I'm gonna look at Nvidia here because it's gonna go at 144. We'll see what it's gonna do at 144.
see, that's the difference. Like the trade we are kind of taking here is the similar trade. Like, but this thing, you haven't got in yet.
It
so
didn't go in. It's smarter,
It doesn't break the rules no matter what because
right? It's a
computer.
machine.
So
Yeah, it's a machine.
It's let's look at the results at the end of the day. But Nvidia going back up.
So what is it gonna do though at that 144.50?
I am so tempted to take the short on PLTR one more time, but like I wasn't because I switched to Nvidia. I wasn't there for a decent price. You may offer it again. The only thing I don't know if I take it there, if I will be able to survive. Let's say if I take a short at the higher high, it will be at around 78.20,
Okay.
and my stop loss will need to be 70 cents. No, yeah, I have to wait for it. It's okay. But Nvidia is doing good. So
Come on.
we target 47 on Nvidia, so it should be easily doable. Of course, it will depend on market conditions, but look at
So,
SPY.
yeah.
SPY is looking healthy.
I was
so,
going to say SPY. You took the words right out of my mouth.
so
SPY right now is printing 606. What kind of candle is that?
it's just because of the consolidation, I guess.
Ish.
You see how it has been
Come on.
consolidating for a long time. So,
Come on.
in what time frame are you talking about?
Oh, well, it's a 1 minute. I was just look at the candle, and that wick. Come on.
Yeah. It's about shaking off weak hands.
You're right.
Yeah.
So market now pushing through.
Do I have a good entry on Nvidia? I think it's okay. The best was 44, but I have 44.50.
Oh, very good.
It's the second best one. The first loser. no. Oh no.
Oh no, 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 no.
No trades for the software yet. Oof.
He really wants to make sure.
PLTR, as I say, like it might be due to a pullback, but if the market keep pumping, like there is no good prices around there yet. So unless you're gonna be taking a like pricing in that you will go in out.
Okay. Nvidia, come on, go through to 145. There we go. That's what we're talking about.
Why you haven't taken any trade yet? I'm sure you will take at least one, but it's just like
The conditions have not been met.
yeah, it's also buying at a specific price.
Mm-hmm.
So
640, you should bounce off. There we go.
I don't want to ignore American Online just because I think it's as I say, that 17 I like it for the long.
SPY is still around 606. Like I said, not a whole lot of movement, right?
No, yeah.
Come on, I want you to hold the 640 because that's what I want.
Did you see Nvidia?
Yeah. I
Let's
like
talk
it, I
about
like
having
it.
A good trade.
Hey?
That was a good trade.
That was, well, still is a good trade.
Yeah, I'm gonna take some partial right there. There we go.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Chala, chala. Great trade, thingy. Yeah, you know what I'm going to do, right?
Not necessarily, but you're talking to your trade.
I'm going to be disciplined.
Here comes the money, money, money.
I was going to wait till 146, but
I want to add on Nvidia. Let's see if I can do it. Let's just put the order in.
okay. Well,
Order is in to add. I think it does make sense. So beautiful trade.
I like.
Oh yeah, it's gonna get me. No, come on, man. Out there we go. I got it.
Woohoo!
Got the partial. And it's going down. I'm breaking even anyway, so. Oh no. let's offer to cut trade. I guess it's not gonna be doing that good in there.
SPY's interacting
Well,
with
they
the
have to
top
break
of the
the VWAP for
range
it to
now,
go do good.
but not moving much.
Am I breaking even? Yes, I am. Doo-doo-dee. Oh, baby. Oh, this name is at 1693.
Wow, eh?
So it didn't help the price we were talking about. PLTR is still pumping up, which is good. It's nice. If anybody believes in the long, I guess it will be around there. So Nvidia going back up, but let's say you have to keep going above the 45.20. Yeah, like when I took the trade, I didn't consider how bearish that candle was.
Oh, which one? NVIDIA?
Yeah, like when I add here,
Mm-hmm.
like I didn't look at the top of the candle, but look at the top of the candle. That's really bearish. So it doesn't mean it won't work. It just means like the pullback as it is right now it was extended like longer than what I was expecting,
Okay.
and which I still don't think is gonna break the VWAP as I say, but let's see. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Hey, there we go. Nice push up, okay. Nice push up. Did you get out or what did you do?
Ooh, let's go NVIDIA.
Okay, PLTR is so attractive for the short right now.
Is it?
Oh yeah. It is at the price I wanna take it, but as I say, I still have to let it push slightly higher for me to be taking that. So what is SPY doing? Let's see.
So it's interacting with the top of the range, but it's been
yeah.
there for a very long time now.
Yeah, it's okay. Instead of me flippy, I'm gonna be trying to hold NVIDIA. Like I am going with the indexes now. PLTR, yes, it's very juicy for me to think that it's gonna be going down right there, but it's counter trend. Like, so it's counter. So
Agreed with you.
do you wanna leave a good trade for a counter trade? No. Something I could do actually, and that will allow me to survive the yeah, I can buy half of it, and like that I can give it a bigger I'm not gonna be very picky, so if you get me there, that's what it would be. So it will be, yeah, half of what I normally buy or short. So It is a high probability trade for PLTR, but it's just half of the size. There we go. We got half of the size. Now we let it do whatever it wants to do. I know I'm going counter. I know, I'm aware of that. So let's take some partial on that NVDA, which is trying to make higher highs. So 55 minutes. There we go. Both of them are printing now. On NVIDIA, I think I want to take a little bit more than half because let's see. No more than half, like more than 25, maybe half. Let's do it. So this is 72. That candle is very recent. So order is gonna be in for the partial. There we go. Now I don't have to think about it. Just let it go there. Oh no.
Oh
no. No. Come on, so far, how are you doing? Oh no. Oh yeah, it's in the second shot. And it's doing good.
So we got that double shield at NVIDIA. That's still there at 146. So I'm going to see how it's going to react there. So SPY is still at the 60620s. It does have a strong RSI, but seem to be stuck there. NVIDIA's pulling back.
yes.
Reprint 45.50. Or ooh, lots of blueprint there.
Those are very long wicks on NVIDIA.
Very.
So
SPY seems to want to form a joji. Oof, acceleration there.
like that type of top, but
We've got a battle. Like I'm looking at SPY and I'm thinking it's stuck. I keep looking at it. And
whenever you say that, I always say the thing. You need to go and stop it. Like, like you are good to do that. You just look at it or say something and it's like, oof, and now it's moving.
Yeah. Come on. Do something.
That's looking not good for us.
No.
either, but, like,
No.
that trend is not that strong either, so we should.
No.
Like, I'm gonna be a little bit quiet with this.
It's less than $1, right?
Yeah, it's
That
like,
we're talking like for SPY this morning, it's not even $1 range. So I don't like that. Okay, so we've got a strong position on NVIDIA 145. I should get out of there. But
okay. I don't know. I don't like the pullback.
no, me either.
I know I'm playing with the money of the house on Nvidia, but like that doesn't mean I want to let it pull back all the way down.
It should find a lot of interest at the 144, but did not.
And the tape is very healthy, like on Nvidia for the long. So look at the all the bits that we have all right there. So
Yep,
bidding
there we go.
from 4480 to.
Mhm.
So it's not that bad, I think.
It's just the market doesn't seem to. At least SPY did not lose a 606.
Can you look at that entry on PLTR?
Let me see. Woo!
It's,
Woo! Dog it! Look at you go. That is beautiful.
Okay, so.
Come on, Nvidia.
Oh no. Oh no.
Ooh boy. Is it a vacation somewhere? Seriously.
Actually, it's good. Let's check the volume on SPY because we have a number to determine that. Oof.
Right?
Like
Am I crazy?
the volume of the opening candle is
The afternoon volume.
1,300,000 shares. So that is very, very,
Very low for SPY. Shoosh.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh. Ah, ¿qué pasa? ¿Dónde está mi...
It might just got on link. You see the anchor here? Just click on it and keep it pressed and drag it to it.
Not too smart. No. That was fast. Gracias.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
I like what Nvidia's doing.
I like it too, but it doesn't want to give me my partial. So there we go. And I say that's very choppy. Look at the wicks and look at the bodies of those candles.
So you got PLTR short.
Yeah. But remember I say I got half of it because I have to give it more than 50 cents stop loss for me to be wrong. And yeah, I could add, like it doesn't normally reach it. It's just, it's a counter trend. Like
Let's go Nvidia.
so Nvidia, go for it.
Let's go Nvidia.
Let's ring that bell. Come on, go for it.
I cannot believe you're not going to get stuck there again.
Buy the penny. It's
Come
like-
on.
But like, I don't think it's gonna stay like this trade is not extended at all. So.
No, 144, look at the position, 144, 70, 71, 72. Entering there.
Go.
Let's go.
Ah man, just by a little bit.
Let's go. SPY still holding.
Okay, it's gonna go. No.
No, it's not.
Oh, you have the same. Like,
I took a profit and I added, so it worsened a little bit my price, but come on.
like I'm trying to take the partial pretty
Me
much.
too.
It's,
I won 46. Ah. Nvidia, you're killing me.
I still believe in the trade. Don't get me wrong. It's like okay, it's inside a trade. There we go, man. There we go.
Okay, I'm gonna consider this. Oish.
Yeah, it's
Oi.
I want to zoom out just as a precaution things. Let's see. Yeah, well, it should be okay. I'm gonna hold it for my partial, and after my partial, I'm gonna break even.
So that's on.
Uh,
You're taking a partial at 146.
I'm taking a partial at 145.72,
Oh shoosh.
even lower, but it's not giving it. Yeah, it's. So I say we have to be patient with that one.
I don't like that wick.
I kind of don't like it neither, but I don't want to feel FOMO. And
Agreed. Because we still, right, we're able to survive that pullback at breaking even, so.
no, and my criterion of that trade specifically is correct yet. Like,
Okay.
for me to be considering my idea wrong, you will have to re-enter back into the 144.80s, 144.7, and of course by that time it will get me out. So because I add, my break even is reachable, but because it is still part of my plan, I won't liquidate early. We don't have the luxury of missing a good entry, so we cannot give it away when we have it.
Good point.
So, words of Jesse Livermore. Words of Jesse Livermore. Yeah, and there we go. It's just like going down again.
SPY
look at
lost
how
to
it's-
606.
Yeah, like I wanted to add to PLTR, but it's just I don't want to add below that blue line. Like I have PLTR here. Did I interrupt the stream? No, okay. PLTR. So yeah, like okay, that's I didn't present it properly. Yeah, PLTR. I want to add, but above the blue line. Like below the blue line, I don't want to add. It's not the best to do. So Nvidia is pulling back again. This is very choppy here.
Big position at 145. SPY has lost the 606. Still stuck, but
Yeah, it's a big candle, but like the uptrend comes first. So I don't feel like going against that.
144.51, 144.50 on Nvidia. There's definitely that double shield that's there.
Ooh la la, that's a very ugly candle.
Nvidia? Yeah,
Yeah.
it got out completely. Oh, I forgot.
Come on, you can bounce those 90s well.
Here comes the money, money, money.
Are we hammering the VWAP? Yes, we are hammering the VWAP. So
Let's see what it's going to do at 144. Like, that's a double shield. It's huge. But we still, as well, at 144, 80, 81, 82, there's a little stack there at the VWAP. So we'll see what it's going to do there. SPY is really pulling back now. It's actually now, going for the bottom of its opening range. Eeh.
this is very close to get me out. That NVDA. So it's average break even. Oh, okay. Come on, you can do it faster. Fast. Break even. Perfect. Right now, like you see, I was willing to take the 70s. Like my partial, I told you was at 45.72. Now I want it like if you go back up in there, I'm gonna wait for the 46 instead
Okay.
because I like what I see on the tape. Like it's looking very good. I know we are trading at the 80s, but it is trying to bounce from there. So let's see. Of course, the problem is that the market is bleeding a lot. So, like, I'm pretty sure SPY is also going down yet. Yeah, it's respecting the trend, but
SPY's at 605.80 and is actually now it seems like it wants to lose that.
American Online fighting for the 17 one more time.
So I went back into qubits. I was able to go out at qubits. I went back in. I saw it interact at the 6. It's beautiful. What a nice, a really nice bout at QBTS. Very, very nice. Predictable. Now let's see what it's going to do because it's approaching the VWAP. I might just be taking it all out. What a stack. It's entering a stack now till about 650. So that's where we could have a little bit of what Davey was saying, erratical behavior.
Okay.
SPY seems to be, so that seems to be a bullish candle in the 5. That's forming, but I guess we'll see.
Funny, I have 2 trades and they are counter, both of them.
And they're doing well both.
Mhm.
Those days, eh? But when we're looking at SPY, SPY is not directional, right? So it's just got in that 50, practically a 50-cent range.
Yeah, it's like, but you see how they like, what you call it compressing before, like, and like now it's a little bit more obvious that it is kind of compressing, but that's a bear flag, not a bull flag. So if that's correct, the SPY is gonna go down.
It's gonna pull back.
Yeah, so we wanna play chicken with it, maybe no.
Let's go QBTS.
So
Okay, so it's going into the stack I was talking about. I'm gonna watch there because I might be just taking partial at the VWAP if we're not able to make a higher high. Okay, entering the stack. Let's go.
keep it DS.
Didn't leave money on the table with QBTS today. You smoked me yesterday, though. Okay, so now it's going through the VWAP, interacting with the overnight, and we'll see what that's gonna do.
I might be going all out
Oh yeah,
of NVDA.
pushing that stack up. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so SPY's interacting now with the bottom. It's wicked the bottom range. We'll see what's is going to happen there. Let's go, QBTS. Still at the VWAP, still stacking there. Let's go, 650. I want to take partial
Yeah,
there.
I'll get to one more.
Oh, okay. Still didn't take one?
Yeah, no, you have to take 5.
Okay.
No, like you said the last trade already. First trade made a little money, and then lose. So, yeah, it's not looking that good. But it's okay.
Here
So,
comes the money, money, money.
Yalla, yalla. Yeah, I say I want to put a line on the sand on the NVDA,
Mm-hmm.
but that seems to be like the wrong move. So,
What you mean a line in the sand, DB?
a place where I will be out completely.
Okay,
Like,
that's what I'm looking now for GPTS.
like I think the consideration here may be like, hey, just take half of it at a specific point, like maybe at the high here, as I was kind of doing it previously. And once I take the half, let it work for whatever it wants to do.
That's NVIDIA?
That's Nvidia, this one.
Okay, so right
Look
now,
at the offer at 60. Yeah, that's-
exactly. So if you're looking at NVIDIA and the market, there's a push coming. Hold on to your. What do they say, bloomers?
That's why I am like, yeah. Okay, so let's go NVDA as a like you see that's what you are looking long here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking short because that's why exactly I want to be kind of all out of Nvidia. This SPY is a bear flag, not a bull flag.
Okay.
So if we go NVDA and let's say I want to remove from NVIDIA and I want to add to PLTR, but like PLTR is not my adding point anymore. So let's see, another push. There is always a shakeout before the move, so whoever got the top is gonna get checked out if it was a legit short.
Printing 606 for SPY.
There we go, we're in the bell.
Woohoo! Here we go.
Here comes the money.
And we're gonna leave the rest for whatever it wants to do. So what I need to do, I need to cancel that order, break even. That's a good trade. So that's a definitely good trade. Though PLTI is a good trade as well. So as I say, I want to add to PLTR. So I have an order to add at a very obvious level. So
At what level are you adding?
77.66. So I want to see it like, I know it's gonna worsen my price, but I want to be able to survive the whole trade as a, yeah, like, sorry. Yeah, so basically like, I want to be able to survive the whole trade without getting checked out, and that will put my average price at around, I think something like 77.30, 77, no, around 77.90, I think, something like that, like
Okay.
77.90 about there. So 77.90 plus 50 cents, it will be 78.40, and the high of the day is 78.36. So that will be it's a good entry there. So it's a good add, in my opinion,
Okay.
to that PLTR if ever you get me there. But it's running away from me, which is still okay. And that Nvidia, the line in the sand for me on Nvidia, it will be a 147, I think it was.
Okay.
Yeah, we are far from there yet. Okay, PLTR is about to offer it.
Wow, that double stack at 146 is still there for NVIDIA.
Nvidia. Nvidia 146. Okay. Yeah, that's a beautiful candle in the 5 minutes. So I really keep holding it. So PLTR. Oh man, that Nvidia is a monster. Keep printing higher. So 60 minute. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see if I can do this precisely. Okay, let's take that one here. Mm. Not sure about this. Trying to find. That makes no sense.
For what, Davey?
I think the Nvidia.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's like it's gonna be testing some prices, and I'm trying to find what is that price that you will be willing to test. Like that's maybe too far, and I have trouble. Like the trend line here is not making that much sense.
Okay.
So if I take, let's say, if I go raw on it like
I
this.
know.
Yeah, that's not that clear. So nah, I don't have a choice. I have to take this one. So yeah, still like not less confident about that. Did PLTR offer me the entry? No, he didn't. He just walked away from me. And now we have Nvidia pulling back as well. So
We've got a lot of stock around the VWAP right now.
we
Apple's taking off.
Apple need us to give a bite.
Okay?
Bad joke.
You're taking it back?
Apple is flying. So Nvidia.
Sure, we don't have a speech. Oh, Lee.
Okay, so
No.
let's look at SPY one more time.
Losing the 6.
Yeah, so okay, I couldn't add to PLTR, let's say. about that. Sorry about that. So,
Winter in Canada.
hey. Yeah, I'm wanting to add on Nvidia. Like that PLTR, yeah, like these have been a fantastic trade PLTR. Like, I mean, I know I just did half of it, but just to repeat that type of behavior is a good thing. So let's see, what are you right here? So I definitely gonna take some partial right there. Yeah, let's not be picky about it.
Here we go.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
So then when I take the Nvidia, I say I want to add to Nvidia. So that price I would like to add. Do I see anything on the tape that suggests it's a good price to add? If I want to add, I missed the add there. So that's a for sure. So it's just gonna be breaking even on Nvidia for now, and let's see what it wants to do. So then we have a SPY.
Guess what SPY's doing? It's printing 606. Okay, so that double shield of 146, 145.99 on Nvidia is building. And we've got that same shield at 144.81 and 144.80.
Okay. I'm adding on PLTR.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. PLTR here. I'm trying to add right there. So okay, I add on PLTR. So now let's stress out a bit.
You're funny.
What is my stop loss? So we're gonna be back in a couple minutes. I need to take a little break. So we're gonna be back. Just 5 minutes. Okay, we are back. Let's see how these positions are wanting to do. So the PLTI, as I say, I got here, and it's not working in my favor yet. But let's see. Don't expect it to make a higher high probably. BDA. SPY. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna be all out of NVDA.
Mm-hmm.
Right there. So
There we go.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
How's your back?
it's okay. Maybe needing a little bit of a stretching.
Hmm.
So PLTR. Not so sure about this PLTI yet, especially because of this nice trend here, but yeah.
The PLTR?
Yeah, like the PLTR,
Mhm.
I know I'm going counter on it. I already took some partial, but yeah. What are you trading?
That was IBIT. I am IBIT.
Did that loan manifest at any point?
Yeah, finally
yeah.
manifested itself.
Aye, aye, aye. Look, that's
Yeah.
a beautiful test of the trend.
Absolutely. Not sure if it wants to retest it. It's still working, but. So SPY 65.80, 605.80. Okay.
The lines off.
Hold on.
This line here is a little bit off. It's okay, I'm gonna keep it there. It was working before and it's still working-ish. So I'm gonna hold it there. And yeah, let's see if this bull flag is gonna manifest at the end of the day. Basically what that means is like we are coming from a high, we compress here a little bit, we in the best case test 606 or 606.30 and then we may go down. So maybe holding open the VWAP too good, but let's see. That's why I was hesitating to liquidate that NVDA. And look, I just got out and it just pop up right away. So, and it's okay. I followed my plan.
Right?
That's all what matters.
SPY reprinting 606 with vigor. That candle's almost engulfing in the 5 minutes. It's just started, mind you.
Yeah.
It still has 4 minutes to die, but
Yeah, I normally would consider all those moves like very choppy, smoky, like big candle to the downside, then a little on the size candle, then big other candle to the downside, then just one candle erase everything. Pretty much. So,
very spoofy. You don't see everything. Do you see all of it?
no.
No, right? That song is in my head.
Which song?
It's a French song. My mom used to sing that a lot, but it's very relevant here.
Yeah.
J'attendrai le jour et la nuit.
Pour dormir.
J'attendrai
C'est pour dormir?
toujours ton retour. No, it's waiting for a lost love. But it's just that song saying that I will wait morning, noon, and night, and I will just wait for you to come back. So it's a patient song, and I'm thinking, yep, that's what we need to do.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm patient.
Like,
I am waiting.
SPY breaking higher. There we go. That's
Top of the range.
606.30. Like that space, I was talking to you yesterday about reassessing, like what to do. Like
What did you say?
Like I told you, like yesterday we were talking yesterday about the speed to reassess. Like, okay, this is not a long, this is not a short. Like, how long it take to? At that point, the SPY is right now. It's a point where if he hold above 630,
Goes through.
like I should be kind of be looking out of the PLTR. But
It's at the top of the range. Oh, it's
Yeah.
holding.
holding for me is a little bit more down that, but like even if you break it by a lot, holding is different in my conception. But yeah, it's definitely trading above the trend. So and the line may die right there. So on top of that. That was Ivan.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Very nice. than 10 minutes, that thing put like $2 up, then $1 down, $1.50 down.
Mm-hmm.
Very waggy.
Very what?
Would you say that like that? Waggy.
Waggy?
Waggy.
Waggy?
Like when you whack something.
Oh, wacky.
Wacky. Okay, you have to say wacky.
K.
K with a K.
Si,
Okay.
si.
Wacky. Very wacky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wacky or wiki.
All around.
Still inside the range for SPY.
What is that tape looking like on PLTR? Let's see. Like right now, I can be just out right there, and like it will be okay. But I don't want to miss a good trade just because of going out. We don't have to be conservative if we have a good entry, which is not the best right now, but like because I add, but 78, okay. Yeah, there's a decent buying on PLTR right there, as it was in Nvidia. So like PLTR have decent buying around 66, between 66 and 50, so which is around there.
Okay.
So
Still within the range for SPY.
when we look at the Nvidia, what is the tape looking like on Nvidia? Yeah, Nvidia is different. Yeah, Nvidia have a lot of sellers right now, and my problem with those sellers is that they are right there at 46, like
In that same range.
yeah, in the same range. Like of course, like this name have been very strong, so it doesn't mean it won't go through, especially how like no, yeah, it won't go through. The volume is too low today. Like we are talking that it's at 1042, and Nvidia have 353 million shares. So my speculation is that even if it break through, it won't be able to hold above.
Okay.
So, but that's just like my idea. So I don't think it's gonna hold that 146. I will be looking short there. So, though the bid is still healthy, let's see. So coming back to the PLTI, which is the trade I do have, like I won't be jumping short in Nvidia because the setup is not there for me. Like I was looking long here, based in Copenhagen or whatever we call it there. Like now, yeah, I am not looking short in Nvidia. In PLTR, it's a different story. Like I mean, I am short in the top of the trend here, so I am willing to hold because the trade is attractive enough. Even if I take that 1 hour lost, it's okay. It's the trade worth the shot. So for sure, SPY will need to also ease a bit for that to happen, which is not happening up to now. But look at those candles. Let's say this is a 60-minute chart, but let's say 5 is not looking that bad. It's looking actually very strong. 15 is looking way stronger, like with that big candle right there. I'm just gonna make peace with the loss of that PLTR. So if PLTR got me out, I'm gonna be okay with that. So my stop loss right now is 78.34. So I think I went far enough in this trade for me to be at peace with that. So coming back to Nvidia, you see how it worked the 46. So like
SPY's crossing the range.
yeah, like more volume will have to come back in both axes. So tempted to go short, don't go short on it. This name is strong. The other name is strong, so you have a better price.
So I'm
My
in
subconscious is talking to me. Yeah.
So I'm in qubits, QBTS. I am taking some heat right now. But I feel like I can see it on the tape. Price is definitely compressing here. I feel that it's right at the time to be either tanking and it looks like it could be tanking, but
That's QBDS.
But it's such a price. It's such a support level right there.
Very crowded tape.
Very crowded. I agree with you.
American Airlines seems to never hold a 17, so it was like it's not going too far from it. But I will be still looking low in this thing. Probably. Like I know the VWAP interaction is like crap.
For
Like,
AAL?
yeah.
Yeah.
Like though it is not moving that much neither for us to be looking for a trade in there, so
Is anything moving?
yeah, I guess the speech is about to happen. If there is gonna be a speech, PLTR is pumping up. PLTR is
Market
trying
is
hard.
over the BCL for the first time today.
Yeah. Very nice candle for a SPY. Okay, now I should be looking the other way.
For who?
For anything, like I mean, I was shorting. Maybe now is the time to go. Doesn't mean I will jump in any trade, but like
yeah.
to look for a decent one, maybe. PLTR is gonna get me out, almost for sure. It's so funny. My stop loss is 78.34. It is going 78.33. 78.33. Unable to get me out. But now it got me out. Okay, that's okay. So now, yeah, as I say, I made peace with that. Let's look through this list. What is Tesla doing? Tesla is looking interesting.
Wow. SPY is clearly above the PCL, clearly above the range. RSI is through the roof.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see.
I bid.
Nice.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Nvidia is going through the 46, so NVDA. But it seems to be wrong for now there, but Okay, so let's see. Okay. I'm gonna retake the PLTR. Okay, let's see. I don't think it's that's not my best price. That's not for sure. Yeah, Nvidia coming back in. PLTR also. I just didn't want to walk away from PLTR.
Mm-hmm.
Still, I didn't get the good price because I stopped looking at it. But it's not a bad price. It's just not the best.
Just want to.
I'll be back. I'm gonna go for some snacks, so we're gonna take a little break. Okay, we're back. Dumbo abajo.
un poco frío.
Okay. Let's see if I can be aware of the news.
Interesting.
Other.
You're searching for news?
Mm-hmm.
Market is approaching, SPY is approaching.
Yeah, I'm watching a spider at the high.
Mm, right?
The Fed is expected to keep the federal funds rates unchanged in
Okay.
January, which essentially end the policy normalization. The timing of the pause could be criticized by the just inaugurated President Trump. So the, 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 the title of the news is "The Fed Set to Pause Just as Trump Take Over." So that's no
The
good.
what? A strong takeover?
Yeah, like this one here. That was 2 hours ago.
Mm-hmm.
But the market's going higher on it. Yeah, the heat map, like technology is quite red. If you see here, so it's
That
a very
is it.
very mixed market.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh yeah, my God.
Banking is the best pretty much for now, I think. Yeah, like look at BAC, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, pretty much JPMorgan, I guess.
GP is there, 0.81. Mm-hmm.
And JP is yeah, very good. So QCOM is up, Apple is up, Google is up. The Mac 7s are claiming a little bit of strength. So, but yeah, I don't see any news. I'm pretty sure that Trump is talking, but like I don't have right now where to check that out.
Okay.
Unless we go to DJT. DJT, Trump Media, let's see. Actually, yeah, it should be there. Hey, why not?
Mm-hmm.
What page? Is this DJT? Community Knowledge Group. Yeah. Hey. So press.
Not up to date, eh? November?
November 30. Yeah. Do I have to be a member to see new things or what?
I wouldn't be. I wouldn't think so. Okay, so the market's popping up. Hold on to your caboose.
To my shorts?
Yep. Hold on to your bloomers.
Yeah, I'm PLTR short yet.
Mm-hmm. I was long. Got me out. I broke even, but
As I say, it doesn't mean I believe in the shorts. It's just at the price I am taking it, it worth the shot.
okay.
I would like to see it losing that 77.60 for good, but that's not happening. It's like a little bit too strong there. In my opinion, last time it hugged the VWAP for a little bit too much, like here. So, but then there was no much momentum toward the downside. So, a little bit tricky there. Look at the SPY.
Tell you.
Beautiful candle SPY.
Isn't
Beautiful
it
trade. Like the
gorgeous?
last half an hour, 40 minutes is just amazing. So, okay, let's see. What is Nvidia doing?
Kind of consolidating a little bit.
Yeah, but look, consolidating above of the bunch
Oh,
of sellers.
for sure.
Like that 46, I say it won't be able to hold if volume doesn't come in. And yes, volume is stepping decently, but
Not crazy.
yeah, not crazy, exactly. Like Nvidia, like it's 11 already. It's 11 and Nvidia has 61 million share traded. It's like, not good. Well, it's not bad neither. It's just like because we don't know in which size they are, and just the fact that this is popping up like that in very low volume is very good. What's up, my guy? The day is just going fantastic. It's a very good day. Yeah, the market is looking strong. So yeah, like I have been going both directions. Like basically, we took Nvidia long. That was a fantastic long. Here you can see. So first I went. Did I went short? No, this was I hold this overnight by mistake. So I got out right here. But then, like for the day trading, like this was long here, partial, at, partial, all out, and you see all the money we leave on the table, but it's looking good. So it was a good trade, anyways. So then we took PLTR. In PLTR, this was a mistake. So the first one, I was looking long, but then like I just got out here, and then I shorted got out, that one lost, another lost, then shorted right here, partial, got out here, shorted again, and now we're gonna be looking to take partial soon. But yeah, it has been a good day overall. We do no complaints about that. What about you? How is your day going there? Like, is it very cold there too, or what? Meridi are killing on iPad.
Still doing it?
They're still doing it. She took it like
No,
no
no.
PBTS iPad.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she still have the shares. Like, oof.
So I bid
Yeah.
at 59.
She bought it around the VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
So
So I got at the VWAP, and then I kept adding for every time it pulled
Mhm.
back until I got my full position on the last candle.
very nice.
Took a profit right there, and now actually took two. First stable, just second. Now I'm just holding for the glory. We'll see where it's going.
Nice. He says it's getting warmer but still cold. Yeah, the same here, but not as you. Like, I know you have like 10 degrees colder than here. But yeah,
Oh boy, PLTR. Did you see how it's reacting there?
yeah,
PLTR with the VWAP and overnight VWAP.
yeah.
Market's still pushing, so SPY is still pushing. SPY still has a strong RSI.
The reason why I like PLTR short, Marie, is because
Mhm.
of the interaction with the VWAP previously.
Mm-hmm.
This is not that clean here. This is hybrid. So PLTR here, like this is not that clean.
Yeah, it went through.
Yeah, I went through and traded above below. Of course, they didn't want to sell, so now it's a cleaner interaction. So, but like, I guess it's on this move. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. Like, we were looking for news, and
That's so funny.
we
You
kind of
just-
don't understand. It's like why is it doing that? It's
We don't understand.
yeah, like the Fed also pausing a bit there for January. So like we don't have that much good news, and the market is popping up. So like I just don't hope that. Well, if it happens, I'm gonna be making money on my swing trading because I still have SPXU. But I just don't hope that they dump it overnight. You know, like they dump it overnight. Like, you know, things across above. around
Oh,
the border,
hey.
it's like,
No, you know what? I'm gonna. Right now, AAL is very interesting. It has not made some lower lows, and we know that it's got a big gap to fill.
AEL.
But right now at the 17, it's at a critical level.
Yeah, I was liking the 17 as a low.
Mm-hmm, me too. That's why I'm watching it right now on the tape. You know what? I'm gonna go in right there below that candle. Take a little bite there. Let's see what I'm able to get. Okay, so IBID is still printing. Jeez. We've got a big position of 60.53 for IBID.
Ooh la la. I see what you mean.
Right now, it's at the pre-market. Oh no, it's post-market. Okay, so that it's going to be interacting with the high very soon, and it's very soon to be the top of the range. So we'll see what's going to happen. Okay, SPY. What was that? So RSI on SPY is still quite high. What the heck, I bet? What the heck happened there? What?
Yeah, that's very nice. Very nice movement, Rick. Are you ringing the bell?
Here comes the money, 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 money.
I guess you took partial almost at the top of the week. On IBIT, did you look back?
Yep. Right at the top of the week. Holding the rest for the glory.
But it's still strong. That
It's
IBIT is
so
still strong.
strong.
So, what do I need to check? Nvidia. Yeah, Nvidia. Yeah, look at Nvidia. Yeah. He gave away the 46. So it's just like, it's never like as you expected to do. Like, I mean, this is long trading time here for me. Like, I think this is a little bit too long.
Okay.
I was expecting a faster failure, but it wasn't like that. So,
Look at your PLTR.
I know. But it's not a term yet.
Trade. No, because it's still with the VWAP, right? So, but wow.
That level there is no consolidation level. There we go.
SPY with the BCR. Yeah, Nvidia is not as clear as SPY today, eh?
Nvidia. To me, Nvidia now look like a short. Not any price, but yeah, at around 46, as close as possible to 146. To me, Nvidia is a short. Why? Because I observed, like I saw what was going on in there, and like if we go back to the 60-minute, like if this is like a rounded bottom, were we able to break through, like through the look, yeah, like this is insane, and I didn't pay attention to this. Yeah. What is it, like yesterday high? It already test the top of the, like when we go to the 60-minute here. Like where is it? Okay, that's where I took it from. Like if it doesn't break 47.80, I think it will need to be forced to at least test the trend. Like basically, it will need to go back down to 43.83, which is quite a lot. But it has been strong. That's why I am not totally convinced about that. So like I don't feel going short on it, but like 46. If a SPY is looking defined, like defined for the shorts, which is not.
It's not.
If ever I get to that point, a short on Nvidia will make sense at 146. But I already have my PLTR, so I'm gonna be quiet there. I know it doesn't want to give it away, but as I say, that shouldn't be a consolidation period. That's 77.66. So I want to be out because I am wrong, or I want to be in the money by a lot because you need to go. Of course, we have low volume today. We have to price in all those things. So
Okay. I don't know where to get out for IBIT. Right now I'm thinking 61.50, but that seems to be so far.
maybe we can be it doesn't have it there neither. So where can I see that? I'm trying to identify that point for you on like to help you identify it, but like well, a good price to maybe take a little bit out is 61.
That's what I thought. I had 61, but it keeps. So you know what? I took it a little bit before just to not leave too much on the
Like
table there.
61 was 2 days high. So
And there's a big position at 61, but there's also 61.50. It's just that I find that far. Am I limiting the move?
by taking it like 61,
By saying it won't get 61.50 or yeah. I took AAL at the R17.
very nice. This is it. There you go. Oh yeah. It's looking distant. So, like 1762, I think is not a bad target.
For AAL.
Yeah. Remember we had a size there previously. Like should be golden if you get there.
Okay.
Let's remove 25% of the PLTR.
Hey, good job.
Push it a bit more. Actually, I'm gonna drop off the order instead of me. Order is in for PLTR.
Where are you, big guy? 1752. Okay. So unless something changed, 1752. I am out of my position. A. Move. Go. There we go. 1752. We'll see.
Put this away. That's enough. See, cool.
Just fell a big chill. Whew.
We're gonna be ringing that bell very soon.
Wow. SPY open as a doji. And still pushing. Woohoo! It's still pushing.
Uncle Warren.
Nice!
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Yalla yalla. Beautiful day. What was that? I bet.
I bet. Cross my threshold. Take fast change. Bye bye, I bet.
Nice.
I am though still looking. I am still into AAL, still doing well. It's interacting with the VWAP right now. We'll see.
I'm more happy with the trades this week
Mm-hmm.
because, like, I think I had one crappy day this week. I don't remember if it was Tuesday or Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday.
Yes. It wasn't.
It wasn't yesterday. No. Or maybe I'm mistaken on that. I don't know, but like, I just find out that, like, looking back and saying like, hey, you see this, like I told you, I went like to not go against the trend, like yes.
Well, depending what you're trading.
Yeah, like for example in PLTR, I'm going against the trend. That I know, but where are you going against the trend?
At the best price.
At the top of the trend.
Best price.
So like if he's gonna pull back.
Little less heat there, right?
Exactly. So it's like.
So you're instantly in the money on the pullback.
Exactly. So.
So it's not a big.
Like, why didn't I put more forces on Nvidia? Because it's not looking like that. If this is a trend, it's at the bottom. That was what? American Airlines. I like it. I like it. You seem to be excited about your trade. Oof. Oh, yeah. So let's be disciplined, as I say, and I'm gonna remove another little there at. Actually, can I do it more technical? Let's see.
Okay. Whoa! We got a push, an insane push from SPY. Not sure what happened there, but poof.
Okay, so I have another. Oh, I had by mistake. That's not good. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. So. Okay, now I have my exit, but.
AAL.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Very nice, man. Very nice.
We'll see. We'll get there. We'll get there. We'll get there. Thank you, DV.
Thank you for what? For the good trade?
¿Qué pasa? Look at SPY. Like SPY is going kaboom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That might be like I have to go back and check those things. Like SPY is making history right now. He's very close to put a all-time high. I have a partial and I'm gonna get it very soon. That was PLTR. Why you that you see that's one of the cases where the order is not working, which I don't know why.
Because it went through, but it didn't get you.
It didn't get me.
Yeah. Hate when that happens.
It's okay. I'm just gonna put a better price. So you wanna play with me?
Come and play.
Come and play with me.
I want to play too.
Give me that partial. Partial. There we go, and we ring the bell.
Woo! Nice.
Comes the money, money, money.
Jala. You know when you make a hotkey mistake and you make more in the hotkey mistake? Because right now, I have the position before the ad. So in that last partial, it's like I took double what I was going to take because of a hotkey mistake.
Because you were going to. Let's go. Acceleration on SPY a little bit. Oh, I think SPY wants to make history.
It's so close.
It is so close.
I'm gonna take half of what I have left on SPY, on PLTR. And this time I didn't make a hotkey mistake, so. Oh yeah, I'm in front of a decent order, so I should be reachable very easy. One, two, and just look at three.
A minute and a half. Glad I got those pens on.
What was that?
Glad I got those pens on. These big burning rubber on them.
Yeah, Dumbo is, as I say, I don't know why he gets so fast like that, but well, I know. It's just I have to work on that.
You know why.
Mm-hmm.
So we've got 30 seconds because until we leave the channel. Holy cannolis, that SPY is so close. Nvidia totally aligned with SPY. My goodness.
Yeah, so I'm gonna wrap it up for me, then we can check out the curtains. So basically, like it has been a very good day. So I did a couple of mistakes on PLTR at the open. Basically, these two trades here. So short, short. That was not a mistake. The first one was a mistake. The second one just didn't work. So that was it. Like in general, have been like, let's say this was short, lost, short, lost, short, partial, out. No, add, out. Short, partial, add by mistake, out. Now I'm breaking even on that trade, but I also have a partial to take somewhere around here in the bottom. So I think we can go to the bottom. It's just a matter of time, maybe. I don't know why PLTR is doing that while the market is about to make higher, like 52 weeks high. So definitely, like I don't have and I don't necessarily want to be looking for shorts as the market is so strong. So Nvidia is a good long, and this was the other trade we took. So I took Nvidia short here. No, I didn't took the short. That was the overnight trade. Then I took a long here, partial, add to the long, partial, all out. Then we leave the rest in there. So I'm like, that was it. So but,
That's a good one.
very happy with my execution today. As I say, I have been able to put better execution in less days than when I was having a bad streak. I'm happy for that. So, but yeah, that's it. Very good day for me. What about you, Marie?
Well, for me, a very good trade in AL in IBID. I was very proud of that. AAL, we got the 17. And right now I got out because I don't like the way that it pulled back without necessarily making new highs, but we'll see. I'm going to see how it's interacting there. So the other one was IBID. So IBID, we were able to take it at the VWAP and kept adding a small position, kept adding every time that it was wicking it. Held the position, was then taking partials, was disciplined. I like this one. We're disciplined into taking partials. I took 1 partial, 2 partial, 3 partial, 4 partial, and got out of my position completely at the pullback at 60. So right now it's 60.42. I could have, I guess, stayed into the trade and made a little bit more. And my worst would be PLTR. So PLTR, going completely to your counter to you. When you were going long, I was going short. When you were going short, I was going long. And guess what? Smoke, smoke, smoke. So PLTR is my worst trade right now.
Hey. Understood. So yeah, so that's everything for today. If you like what you see, if you have any value, if you get any value from what we do here, so feel free to like and subscribe. So yeah, that's gonna be everything for today. I hope everybody have a good day. Yeah, we will be here tomorrow again. Bye.